Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if you hear no sound during calls on the smartphone. First of all, check your volume using the side buttons on your phone. So just try to increase it by tapping the volume up button and see if your problem is resolved, and if it's not, then try to change the call volume specifically in settings. To do that, go to settings, then open sounds and vibration, and then increase the call volume specifically. And if it doesn't help you, then try to disable Bluetooth by going to Bluetooth settings and switching it off, so that your sound isn't ruling out to connected devices. If it doesn't help you, then try to clean the earpiece with a soft brush right here. So just grab a soft brush and try to clean your earpiece at the top of your display. Then test your test the sound in another app, for example WhatsApp, or maybe Viber, Telegram, whatever you use. If nothing helps, then restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe to the restart and wait until your smartphone is restarted. And your device is restarted. Try checking your sound once again, and if nothing helps you at this point, then try resetting your network settings by going to settings, system and updates, reset phone, and reset network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm, and then check your sound once again. And if to this point nothing helps you, then this might be a hardware issue. In such case, you should reach out to Realme customer support service and tell them about this problem. Maybe they will guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, or maybe you'll have to send your phone to them for repair. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.